Epic desert battle comes alive. Step into the Minecraft universe and relive epic desert skirmishes with this dynamic LEGO set. With an armored cactus knight and 3 hostile Illagers invading your outpost, kids get a hands-on taste of adventure. Launch finger-powered missiles, guard the hidden treasure barrel, and defend the desert with real Minecraft gear turned into bricks. Includes 4 iconic Minecraft figures. This set includes a fearless hero clad in diamond armor and 3 aggressive Illager enemies. Each figure is built for roleplay battles, making it the perfect blend of creativity and action. Whether you're attacking or defending, these characters ignite hours of imagination-powered play. Diamond gear, authentic weapons. Arm your Minecraft hero with legendary diamond gear. This set comes with a diamond sword, a sturdy shield, and protective armor just like in the game. These accessories enhance storytelling and make every display or battle feel ultra-realistic. Compact yet packed with adventure. Measuring over 3 high and 4 wide, this playset may be small, but it packs a punch. Ideal for travel or tabletop play, it's loaded with features like missile launching action and treasure guarding missions, perfect for kids who love excitement in every brick. Perfect gift for Minecraft fans. Whether it's a birthday, Christmas, or just a surprise gift, this LEGO Minecraft set is a guaranteed win. It's designed for boys and girls age 7+, blending building fun with gaming thrills. A must-have for any young builder or gamer. Enhanced play with LEGO Builder app. Get more from your build. Use the LEGO Builder app to zoom, rotate, and view your creation in stunning 3D. Kids can follow digital instructions step by step, making building smoother, faster, and way more fun.